Here at Paul Davis Restoration of Broward, we really pride ourselves on educating our technicians and all of our staff. And luckily, throughout the past few years, we've had the opportunity to train our folks here virtually through certifications courses such as the IICRC, which is the governing body of our industry. And because we were actually able to do that in-house, we were able to educate and get a lot more people certified than we normally would have, because we normally would have had to send them away to do that. So it's been really great to be able to do that in-house. We've also been able to do a lot of other continuing education classes, just refreshers, annual training, which we really pride ourselves on. We look forward to being able to provide these opportunities for people to educate themselves, and we really look forward to seeing how these little young studs do in the future.
My name is Zoe Weber. I work as a Mitigation Technician at Paul Davis. So I recently got included into an IICRC exam training course, and I did it with a bunch of other people that were from around other states. These last couple days we've been learning about the basics about mitigation technicians, and then the basics about safety. I've learned in class the different kinds of machines that we use to get rid of mold and dry up areas in the rooms in certain households. The different measurements and also formulas and equations that we use in the field to inform our customers. I'm really thankful that Paul Davis gave me the opportunity to grow in their company, letting them to let me take the IICRC exam so I can grow as an individual and also grow within the company and reach my goals in life. I'm really looking forward to work with Paul Davis in the future.